glad Leo got out on bail already.
Well, he's got a really good lawyer. I mean, they got into a magistrate really quickly.
Hey, your mum invited me over. I hope that's all right.
Yeah, well, I know there's tension between you two, and, well, I'm here to help. In Murrayville, I would help my students connect with their emotions to create more authentic art, and I'd like to do the same for you and Byron.
We're not artists, Mum.
Maybe this was a mistake. I should go.
No, please just stay. You and Sadie need to talk.
Our relationship has got nothing to do with you.
No, I'm just...
So can you back off?
Yeah, okay, but I'm just trying to help.
No one asked you.
No, but I need to. This very terrible thing happened to you, and where was I? I was, screen printing and making some clay bowls. I'm your mum, Sadie. I'm the one who's meant to be looking out for you.